Hey everyone, it's Catherine, and today I've teamed up with a brand called ToAllMyBlackGirls, and I will be installing these clip-ins. So I have two 20-inch bundles. In one bundle comes one 5-clip, one 4-clip, one 3-clip, and two 2-clip-ins. So it's very important to wash the hair before use. This is just going to make it look fresh and neat. As you can see, my hair is twisted and I'm just unraveling these to make sure it blends well with these clip-ins. Your head shape will determine which length clip you need to install at the moment. I'm installing the first clip. These are so easy to install. As you can see, it takes a really quick time. Use your natural hair to cover each track to make sure it blends perfectly and it looks completely natural. You could also prep your hair with a braid out. This will also give your hair the right textured look to use with the Kinky curls clip-ins. As you can or may not see, there is a slight difference with the colour of my hair and the extensions. Though it's not that visible in the video, the hair is slightly lighter than my own. So I got halfway and realised that two bundles just wouldn't be enough. So I installed some 16-inch clip-in. To do this, I replaced some 20-inch tracks from the back with the 16-inch clip-ins. This was because I wanted to have the same length hair all around. But of course you can do this anyhow. Now this third bundle is optional. I think two bundles will do anyone perfectly, but my hair is very thick. So I wanted to have a full lick with the clip-in extensions. Now at the top of my hair, I'm just separating the twists that I took out to make sure that they cover the tracks perfectly. And then I'm installing two clip-ins to the front of my hair. Depending what part you want on your hair, that's where you're going to install the clip-ins. So I wanted a side part. So as you can see, I've installed the two clip-in and now I'm blending my natural hair over the track. So just a little bit about the brand. They are a black-owned company providing kinky curly, kinky coily, kinky coarse and kinky straight textures to Afro-Caribbean natural hair textures. Hair dried up after installing, so I'm just adding a little bit more moisture with the leave-in conditioner spray. And I'm about to add some gel to get this definition popping. Gel is the best product you could ever use for this hair. As you can see, I'm just raking through with my natural hair and the extensions, and I'm shingling my natural curls. This is a perfect blend and a perfect match with my hair texture, especially if you're going for a more wet and defined look. The first hairstyle I'm doing with these bundles is two flat twists at the front. To make this look completely natural, you want to twist down with your natural hair and the hair extensions. This style is so quick and simple to achieve, and I absolutely love this style. I added two lock grips to the front of my hair just to complete the look. So I'm splitting my hair in two for the next style. I'm taking out some hair from the front to make it look more natural. Now I am just tying the hairband to create a bun first off. And now that's done, I'm just adding some more gel for definition. This style is so cute, I love it. Now I'm showing you what it looks like with 2 ponytails. For the next style, I'm just taking some hair from the front and then I'm wrapping the hair back into like a high-ish ponytail. And here's the final look. It is so quick and easy to style these textured bundles. Don't forget to use my discount code AfroCat and definitely check To All My Black Girls out. Thank you for watching.